In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Windows settings using Power Automate Desktop. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, ensuring your computer adapts to your needs without any manual effort. Specifically, we'll be setting up an automation to toggle the nightlight setting, which can be particularly helpful for reducing eye strain during evening hours. Let's get started by opening Power Automate Desktop. Once that's up and running, go ahead and create a new flow. You can give it a name like Toggle Nightlight to keep things organized. This flow will be your digital assistant, automatically adjusting settings for you in the background. With your flow set up, we'll need to add our first action. Look for the action named Run Application or Launch Application. This action is essential because it will open the specific settings page you need. In the Application Path field, type in MS Settings Display Nightlight. This direct command tells Windows to open the Nightlight settings page directly, saving you time. Before you can interact with the toggle switch for Nightlight, we'll include a Wait for Window action. This function allows the automation process to be patient until the settings window is fully loaded. You can configure it to wait for a window where the title contains Nightlight or something similar. This ensures you're targeting the correct window in an efficient manner. Now, for the critical part, adding an action to click the UI element in the window. Utilize the UI element picker tool to select the toggle switch for Nightlight. This feature makes it easy to identify and interact with the exact part of the screen where the toggle is located. This is a crucial step, as it enables the automation to physically toggle the Nightlight setting on or off. Once that's set, it's time to tidy up. Add an action to close the window. This tells the flow to shut the settings window once the toggle action is complete, maintaining a neat and organized desktop. Don't forget to save your flow once all these steps are configured. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, run your newly created flow and observe if it effectively toggles the Nightlight setting as intended. This test run is a vital part of the process and confirms that your automation is working smoothly and efficiently. Finally, let's recap quickly within Power Automate Desktop. Start by clicking on New Flow. Give your automation a meaningful name like Automate Windows Settings and click Create. From there, the Flow Designer is your workspace. This is where you'll be dragging and dropping actions to build a seamless automation process tailored to your needs. With these steps, you'll gain more control over your computer's behavior while saving time and effort. Thanks for following along, and happy automating.